What's up, Pod A? It's me, Mr. Sandsgaard, and
My name's Harper.
Harper Sandsgaard, the future Miss Harper Sandsgaard. Miss Sandsgaard. You gonna be a teacher someday, Harps?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, government teacher, just like your pops. Okay, and we're gonna explain the week to you. Okay, so go to the March 30th to April 3rd. All right, and this will have the agenda, so it should look something like this. All right. There'll be an introduction there that kind of explains the week, and then you'll have your agenda for the week as well. Okay, so this will explain sort of the things that we think you should be doing. All right. So the agenda and sort of the ongoing work. We're just going to post everything week by week and let you guys use your time to do that as you go. This is the kind of the different things that you have. There are links to the different sections. Okay, so you see that Monday there's a couple things that we wanted you to do, but you should at least look through this and how we're going to change Town Hall Wall. We're going to kind of shorten it up, and then what we'll do as teachers is we'll take the information you give us about it, and we'll post it and ask you guys to respond. So you're not going to have to. You're not going to have to do any. They can't see me. You sit nicely, okay? Don't distract. She's going to be that kid. Anyway. So read through this and you'll see all the things that you need to do, okay? On Tuesday, just kind of a quick, easy, find an article, reflect on it. You don't have to post anything. You don't have to write anything. But we want you thinking about the current events that are happening right now and how the government's responding. Then there's screencast notes. I'll make sure I get those note sheets out, or at least a link to them, so that you guys, if you don't have them, you can fill them out. If you still have them, just keep filling out what you have. All right. And then what we did is the station activity, and I know a lot of you guys took that big fat packet. Well, we broke it down, and we'll make those daily assignments. So if you've already started doing them, you're done. You just have to put them onto a Google Doc now. So kind of you're going to have to do the work twice, but hey, you're already one step ahead of everyone else. And then Friday is supposed to be sort of an off day, for you to get anything done, but the website, it says website work time. What that means is just your town hall wall, all the stuff that you need to work on at that point. So I'll change the title to that so that you have it. Don't touch buttons, Harper. She's that kid, All right, and that I'll also make myself available that day if you guys want to meet on Google Meets. All right. So that's it. Say bye. Wait,
Bye.
Let's get up. Okay. Say bye. Show them what jammies you got on.
I got Elsa.
Elsa. We represent Elsa in this house. Yo.